Well, good morning. Before I get my coffee, some special Linux news. A Linux operating system is celebrating 10 years in existence, according to this is 9 to 5 Linux. For any Linux system to last 10 years is fantastic. This is KaOS OS. It's the Linux with the unfortunate name. I know it's pronounced KaOS, but Windows users aren't going to know that. They're going to say, oh, KaOS OS. Sure, let me try it. Jokes aside, congratulations to the KaOS team. Let me see let me go to the website. I don't know too much about this one, to be quite honest. So this is a lean KDE distribution, lean, mean, fighting machine. That's one of the characters in the Halo game, by the way. Let's see. Like I said, I definitely need my coffee. So this has the Plasma desktop, which is very nice. What is this based on? Is this Debian? Let me scroll down some more. Blah, blah, blah. This has... Pac-Man. So I believe this would be, a rolling release. So this would be Arch Linux. Definitely not recommended for everyday use. Definitely not for Windows users. However, I give credit where credit is due. 10 years of KaOS. Congratulations. Now it's time for my KaOS coffee. Ciao.